definition under there. So I just gave it to it. And if the viewer can't quite figure out what's going on, not always necessarily such a bad thing. Right in here, what's going on here? Let's see. I think we're going to go with a lemon yellow a little bit. A lot of painting is instinct, and sometimes I just can't tell you why I do something, and it's just based on I think it feels good. Not physically good, it just feels like the right thing to do is what I should say. Well, colorful little scenario here. This is going to dry. I don't know if you can see if the paper is buckling a little bit. That always happens. That's expected to happen. It's just what happens when you're doing watercolor.